Air pollution is the contamination of the atmosphere by harmful substances including gases, particulates, and biological molecules. The sources are varied and numerous. Industrial emissions from factories and power plants, vehicle emissions from cars, trucks, and airplanes, and even agricultural activities involving pesticides and fertilizers contribute significantly. Natural sources like volcanoes and wildfires also play a part.
The effects of air pollution are far-reaching. It can cause respiratory and cardiovascular diseases, lead to environmental damage such as acid rain and smog, and contribute to global warming and climate change.
Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, including lakes, rivers, oceans, and groundwater, by harmful substances. The sources include industrial discharges of chemicals and heavy metals, agricultural runoff containing pesticides and fertilizers, sewage and wastewater, and oil spills.
The effects of water pollution are severe. It harms aquatic life, causes health issues in humans such as waterborne diseases, and disrupts ecosystems.
Soil pollution refers to the degradation of soil quality by the presence of harmful chemicals and waste. The sources are industrial waste and spills, agricultural chemicals like pesticides and herbicides, and the improper disposal of waste in landfills or through illegal dumping.
The consequences of soil pollution are significant. It leads to reduced soil fertility, contamination of food crops, and poses health risks to both humans and animals.
Noise pollution is the presence of unwanted or harmful sounds that disrupt normal environmental conditions. The sources include traffic from roads, rail, and air, industrial activities involving machinery and construction, and urbanization with its nightlife and loudspeakers.
The effects of noise pollution are quite serious. It can cause hearing loss and stress, lead to sleep disturbances, and impact wildlife behavior. 5. Light pollution.
Light pollution is basically excessive or misdirected artificial light.
The sources of light pollution include streetlights, advertising and signage, and residential lighting.
Its effects are pretty significant. It disrupts ecosystems, especially affecting nocturnal wildlife.
It also interferes with astronomical observation.
And let's not forget, it disturbs human sleep patterns.
6. Thermal pollution. Thermal pollution is the increase in temperature in natural water bodies caused by human activities. The sources of thermal pollution include power plants and industrial factories which discharge heated water. Deforestation also contributes by reducing shade and increasing sunlight. The effects, well, decreased oxygen levels in water, harm to aquatic life, and disruption of aquatic ecosystems. 7. Radioactive pollution. The presence of radioactive substances in the environment. The sources include nuclear power plants, medical and research facilities, and accidents such as nuclear disasters. The effects are severe, including cancer and genetic mutations, long-term environmental contamination, and harm to plants and animals. 8. Plastic pollution. The accumulation of plastic products in the environment that adversely affects wildlife, habitat, and humans. Sources of plastic pollution are improper disposal of plastic waste, single-use plastics like bags, bottles, and packaging, and microplastics from synthetic clothing and products. The effects are dire, causing harm to marine and terrestrial life, pollution of water bodies and soil, and ingestion of microplastics by humans and animals. 9. Visual pollution, unattractive or overwhelming visual elements in the environment. The sources include billboards and advertising, litter and waste, and construction sites. The effects are noticeable, leading to aesthetic degradation of landscapes, reduced quality of life, and impacts on tourism and property values. Understanding these forms of pollution is crucial for developing strategies to mitigate their effects and protect both the environment and human health.